Hi everyone, Kayla here for some Snappy Science. For this activity, we're going to be flying. And no, I'm not talking about planes or birds or Superman or even traditional paper airplanes. We are going to be making flyers that are so far out of the box, they're made of circles. This is the first one we're going to make, and it's all about these hoops. So we're going to need scissors, paper, tape, and a straw. So to start, take your paper and cut two 1-inch strips out of the long side of your paper. Then take one of those strips and cut off the bottom third. Now we're going to take these two strips and use tape to form the hoops. Now we've got to attach these to our straw. So take one hoop, place it on the table, put the straw inside, and use a piece of tape to secure it. Repeat the same thing at the other side, but make sure that the hoops are aligned. You want to be able to look straight down them, like looking into a tunnel. And there we have it. That's it. But can this thing actually fly? Let's go find out. Okay, so I'm going to hold my glider with the hoops upright and throw it like a spear. While this doesn't look like a typical paper airplane, it's still flying. Anything can be a flyer as long as the four forces of flight are balanced properly. The structure and shape of the object as it moves through the air must provide enough lift to overcome gravity, pulling the object down. Drag is what prevents a flyer's forward motion when air molecules bump into all the surfaces. So scientists work to design aerodynamic shapes, that's smooth designs that will move easily through the air. And we need to provide enough thrust to get the flyer going. We're going to do our second flyer now. This one here, called the tube, the glider, the vortex, but it's pretty simple. All you'll need is one piece of paper and some tape. We're going to be folding down the top of this paper to create a thick band. Let's go. We're going to fold it into thirds and crease. And we're going to take that folded in half section and fold it in half. Like this. And crease. And then that folded section we are going to fold in half one more time. And crease. And there we have it. It's almost ready. I'm actually going to take this and run the edge over a table in order to create a bit of a curve with the folded parts down. And now we are ready to tape our flyer closed. And there you have it. It looks nothing like a paper airplane, but you'll be surprised at how well it flies. It's time to test it. For this one, I'm going to throw it with the heavier side at the front, and as I let go, give it some spin, like a football. Whew! Now don't worry if your flyers aren't working perfectly right away. Scientists can spend their whole lives perfecting something, like how air flows around an airplane wing or how to generate more lift. If you want to do something to try and improve your flyers, you try playing around with different thicknesses of paper to see how it affects lift. Try practicing your folding and taping to make sure everything is as smooth as possible to reduce drag, or even practice your throwing to get just the right amount of lift. But whatever you do, make sure you have fun. I forgot my straw.